We're a country stitched together with television and now the internet. You just kind of assume that everybody is eating the same thing. And you find out later in life, we're not. If you come to the Ohio Valley, you have to expect certain things. On New Year's Day, we always eat pork and sauerkraut, usually with a side of mashed potatoes. But the pork and kraut is supposed to bring you luck for the year. Hasn't always worked for me, but nevertheless, I have to have pork and kraut on New Year's Day. Everybody does. We also have pizza squares. You can buy just one or two squares. You don't have to buy a whole pie. And it comes with pepperoni automatically without you having to ask, as God intended. And they put the cheese on at the end of the baking process. So the cheese is only half melted. We buy bags of pepperoni rolls, and you can find them all throughout West Virginia. And if you're lucky enough, somebody will make you a plate of pirogi. But one of the other things that we have, now, traditionally, these things were always made around Fat Tuesday. And it's a Polish treat called paczki. Paczki. Yeah, I know it doesn't look like the word paczki, but that's how they spell it. So if you see that word, it's paczki. And what they are is really, really heavy donuts and Polish donuts. And they used to only come out around Easter. When I was a kid, that's when you had one, around Easter, Fat Tuesday. And now they kind of make them from New Year's Day all the way through Easter, which it's kind of turned it. Now, you don't need to write me negative comments, but it's almost like a Polish joke because you have these New Year's resolutions, usually to lose weight, and then they come out with very, very rich donuts. They come usually in different flavors, and they're covered just like donuts. You can get powdered. That one's a sugared one. You can get them glazed. Traditionally, I think they have like orange zest and lemon zest on them. And they're stuffed with tons of flavors. I don't know if you can see this or not. Like raspberry, Bavarian. My favorite's this cheese. That's what these are. It's sort of like ricotta cheese stuffed in them. Apple, peanut butter, pumpkin, plain. Never had a plain one. I never see plain ones. Chocolate, prune. Yes, prune. A lot of the older people seem to like the prune, I'm told. Blueberry, apricot, poppy. Poppy. I never saw a poppy one either. And you get about 6. Here you get them for $5.99. You get 6 of them for $5.99. So not a bad price. They're really good and really addictive. And you think you're just going to eat one, and then next thing you know, you only have 2 to make a video with. So, what the hell is it? It's just a Polish donut. Seriously, you don't need to know anything else. If you come around Easter time and you see that word on a box, buy a box and you can eat like the natives. For now, it's me, Camroy, here on YouTube.